good afternoon, good morning, good welcome, good everything. Excuse me. I am Pink Poodle. There is Maisie the Eastern Poodle and the Eastern Poodle, the Western Poodle, Priscilla. And we are Pink Poodle too. And today is an exciting unboxing for me. This is a new unboxing and it is an alternative boxing, and I first saw these on a lovely lady called Rachel Rose Druid Dipsy. I'll write it down there so you can see. Go and check her out, she's brilliant. She's got the most beautiful soft voice and I love watching her unboxings, and she unboxes a lot of alternative boxes. And sorry, and one of the companies that she uses from Etsy, and it's called Sliverthorpe Daughter. And I've also ordered an actual Sabbath box from them, which I'll be getting every 6 weeks, and we'll be getting it out in about 2 weeks time. But they also do a crystal of the month, and that costs £6, and that includes postage, and it comes in paper like so. I've undone that, and this is what it looks like. I will put their details down below as well, and I'm so excited about this because when I saw Rachel Rose unbox it, I thought, oh, it's definitely for me. Excuse me, sorry about that. Paul will be extremely noisy as always. I'm sorry about my makeup. It is end of day makeup, I'm afraid. I'm looking a bit worse for wear. So anyway, so this is what it looks like. And I open it up. Rachel normally opens it up on like you're looking at what she's doing, but I'm having to do it like this. And it is emerald. Now, I wanted emerald because I have emerald coloured green eyes. My birthstone is emerald, and I love it. So it says emerald, zodiac sign Taurian, which is what I am. Hello Billy, he's making an appearance here. Hello Billy. Where's his bum anyway? Billy, you there? Oh, he's gone there now. So, and it's the element is water. Magical associations with health, strength, unconditional love, kindness and serenity. Healing associates, immune system, nervous system, heart, insomnia, fever and inflammatory. And there what the crystals look like. You want to take a picture? I've got it in my nail. Gotta see it my nail a bit. That's that. And then there's a little note which I'm going to read. I don't know what she's wrote in it, but the mortal mantra. Right, so it says, "Here Jean, here are some bright and beautiful emeralds for you in their perfect natural state. May they bring you all the health and strength you need." That is so kind. Thanks, Malta. That's so kind of you. And you've got a little thing that says that. And this is a little package that it's in. And she has the most wonderful, absolutely lovely. And I think that Lynn, if you're watching this, you're going to love what's on here. So these, I've got 4 emeralds in their natural state. Obviously they're not polished, but so there's this one. Ooh. And I dropped one. So now I'm going to have to look for it. Oh, it's there. It's so bright I could see it on the floor. I always drop something, you know I do. There's that one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. That's so the colour of my eyes as well. There's a brighter emerald. And there's... Look. Can you see? See the colour of my eyes? I've got emerald green, that you can't see because I'm looking away. Can you see that? My eyes go to the side. I'm sorry about that. That's where my eyes go now. So they are stunning. And this is part of the little thing she has on the paper. There's a little tortoise there, crow or a raven. Oh, actually it doesn't, look like a minor bird or something there. And then you've got like a swan looking bird, and the actual, and there's also like frogs on it, or Rachel Road likes, and I just think it's amazing and I love it, and I'm going to keep this piece of paper because I love it. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful to get these. I was very lucky to be able to get them, so I really do appreciate it very much. Like I said, £6 for a crystal, and it tells you about it, and that you can put in your book of shadows or put away in, or whatever you do. And these are the little crystals. Let me show you that. Hang on, can you see them? So that, oops, that's them now. Whee! Let me see if I can do it a bit better. Sorry, I'm so unprofessional, and guys, sorry. Let's see if I can turn this on and see if you can get a better look at the colour. Can you see them? Oh, there you go. Now, there you can see them. How beautiful are they? I am in awe of them. I really am. So that, oops a daisy. I've got to put you back up. Oh dear. So that is my crystal of the month from Sliverthorpe Daughters, and you'll be seeing me unbox it every month now because I really love watching Rachel Rose do it. I'll still watch Rachel Rose because I love her voice, but she knows so much about crystals as well, so it's really worth watching. So that is it. Yeah, so that is my little crystal of the month from the little Etsy store, and I'll put all the details down there, and I have lots of things that are alternative on there. So if you want to, I love this. I think this is so good. I'll put this in my book of shadows, and it's all there. Oh, sorry, Dora's coming. Is that Dora or is that Billy? Let's see. It's Dora. Hello, Dora. Say hello. No, I said hello, Dora. So I look out the window. Oh, that was mother. So that is it then. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a pause up, and if you want to go along to see Rachel Rose's I can't think of it, channel, say that Pink Poodle sent you, because she doesn't know who I am because I do speak to her. So, and yeah, and go along to see this company here on Etsy. I'll put all the details down below, and you won't be sorry, because I do like really good like alternative boxes, and I do also seeds of the month, so you can get seeds to grow things like, I don't know, herbs and stuff. So like herbs, plants, flowers, everything. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Pink Poodle 2, and that always remember, it is what it is and it ain't what it ain't. Until next time in Pink Poodle 2. Mwah. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing with my crystals and my beautiful poem that I won. I've got some beautiful flowers there in front of my crystals, and I have my crystals here and all my different things. Got my wood there, San Paulo wood. I've got my, and this is what I'm doing with my crystals. Some, sugar. Some of my crystals are, in here, and so this is what my ever-growing collection looks like. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Please stay safe, everybody. Bye. Mwah.